2 likes on this video.
2 likes, that's it?
And Cam's getting the S1000 RR.
That's wild.
And he shook on it.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
That's crazy. 2 likes.
That's crazy. I just didn't say when. I didn't say when, but I'm not opposed to it.
Loopholes.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Oh, it started.
Watch it not turn on now.
Turn it off now, you dick.
Rob's bike, I've been pushing his bike so he can bump start it all day.
Oh, that's a violation.
But now we're about to dip home. Yeah, you need, or a stator.
Nah, I think it's battery. Because
We'll
that just doesn't have enough charge to fucking jump there.
Look how dirty this thing is.
Dirty.
Yo, ready? I gotta prop it.
Oh, I need to do an oil change like yesterday. Just peeped. Oh, they just went off the curb. Woo! I just had a club sandwich and it was busted. Now we're just heading home. It's about midday, probably about 1 o'clock. But there's more stuff to do today, so calling it early off the bikes, get home. What the fudge does that mean? Sometimes you just struggle with talking to your homies telepathically. It's just us 3 now. He's saying slow down. I just want to warm up my tires. Yes, take the scenic route. Yes. So it says road closed. Oh, the bridge. Oh. Oh, what are we doing? Oh god.
I am the one.
Is it stable? Is it stable or am I gonna fall through?
I mean, it's pretty stable. Not only that. I just looked at a couple of the ones that are all rusted the fuck out. I mean, people walk on it all the time, but I figured you'd get one like right here.
No, I was talking about like midway through.
Yeah, it's pretty that's a bit sketchy, my friend.
I don't know if you're saying it's... Go to the middle and jump.
Okay, that's just way too rusty.
Alright.
Be like that. There's literally like holes inside of the fucking rungs.
No, thank you.
It's like this
No, it just my luck. That shit would just crash.
I know. Alright, well,
If you see another spot, you know, I got the camera, so if you see another spot, I'll pull over. The bike's disgusting right now, but YOLO. That water's so high. I love you! Yeah, I told Rob, I was like, yo, we just ate. Like, I probably want to chill on the way back. Nah. Overall, that was a fun ride. That was definitely pretty fun. Even though we were riding sketchy roads, like sketchy. Is that a dirt bike for sale? No. My car knows low on battery. I hate riding without music. Just gonna scoot over. Huh? We're like, oh, why's that car coming? It's such a beautiful day. 75 degrees midday. Oh, nighttime kind of sucks because it gets real cold, but good lord, 75 degrees is just perfect. Like, I love this weather because it's like perfect for suiting up. You're not hot, you're not cold, right in the middle. I had a weird morning. I woke up and I was all types of dazed. I got like 4 hours of sleep and I was like, dude, I don't know what I'm doing. I know I need to get on my bike though. I hate being behind trucks though. That's one thing that gets me. Any vehicle that's obstructing my view to see further beyond. What if I'm just sitting behind it, right? Like this, like this. Cops go by me, I'm just like sipping my tea. I gotta sneeze. It got effed up here. Oh, that's glass, I think. Ow, that hurt. Ow. I done learned a lot on this bike, a lot. I never thought a big bike would teach me. Oh, he's a motorcycle guy. No wonder he was excited. It's so easy. I love riding in small groups because I can act more stupid. I should buy new gloves. Y'all are telling me every video. Light was green, no one moved. Awesome. Makes my heart warm. That was smooth, and that was smooth. I wish I could show like a meme of like what cops think I do. And then like what I actually do. Oh, you don't care? Oh, you saw that? You saw that? You like that? My man. Have a good day. What?
I want one.
What?
I want one.
You want that?
Yeah.
Why?
Why not?
Wow! 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 It's too easy right now. You always look.